priming the pump on T6. Problem: the pump is activated, but no fluid comes out of the outlet hose. Check these 3 things first. 1. Verify there is fluid in the container. 2. Check if the filter at the check valve is clogged. 3. Listen to confirm that the pump is running when activated. If those 3 things are fine, follow these steps. 1. Place the outlet hose into the waste container and open the outlet valve. 2. Open the valve on the suction hose that has run dry. 3. Go to Settings, Maintenance, Fill System, and follow the instructions on the screen until the pump starts. Monitor to see if fluid comes out of the outlet hose. 4. If no fluid appears, repeat fill system again. But this time, open another suction hose, preferably one closest to the left side of the manifold and known to contain fluids. 5. If the issue persists, remove the suction hose with fluid from the container. Hold the check valve above pump level. Remove the filter holder and filter. Use a small screwdriver to press the ball inside the valve to open it. Repeat fill system again. As soon as the pump sound changes and fluid starts flowing, lower the hose back into the container. Once the pump stops, reinstall the filter. Now open the previously empty suction hose and run fill system until fluid flows out.